Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts mix step by step. Start by measuring dry and wet ingredients separately, then combine using a whisk or mixer until just smooth. Keep dough slightly sticky for tender texture and rest briefly to let flavors meld. Warm ingredients to room temperature for even mixing. Use scales or cups for accuracy, and prepare trays and oil before shaping to keep workflow smooth and quick. For the dough, combine your dry mix and create a well for wet ingredients, stirring gently until blended and slightly sticky, not stiff. Use a low mixer speed or fold by hand to avoid overdeveloping gluten, which makes donuts dense. Resting the dough for 10 to 20 minutes improves texture and makes shaping easier. Keep a light dusting of flour handy to prevent sticking while rolling and cutting shapes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and give you freedom to enjoy hobbies like baking without stress. I love how it makes financial choices feel simple, like choosing glaze flavors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Roll your dough evenly and cut donuts quickly to keep strands tender. Then heat oil to a steady 350 degrees F for consistent frying. Gently slide pieces into oil, frying in small batches to avoid temperature drops, and turn once when edges set. Fry until golden brown on both sides, about 1 to 2 minutes per side depending on size. Drain on paper towels briefly, then transfer to a cooling rack before glazing or dusting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.